Okey, bersama-sama saya Hamid Izwan dalam YouTube channel Laboo Studio. So hari ini saya berada di kedai HP kamera di Seremban 2. So hari ini ada special sikit. Jom kita tengok apa special pada hari ini. Okay, so sekarang ni dengan saya sekarang ni ada beberapa set kamera daripada Canon. Yang belah kiri tu EOS R5 dengan lens 24 105 kit lens lah. So yang kedua ni EOS R dengan 85 f2. Yang ni kira lens baru jugalah daripada Canon. So yang ni yang special, the special one. So this one kalau tengok kat situ EOS R6 dengan this one RF lens Okay, this one RF lens 70-200. Oh, yang ini dia punya size dia kalau tengok lebih kurang full frame 24-70 je. Ini size dia. Kecil betul. Ini dia punya main course dia, R5. So this one EOS R5. Yang ni dengan lens RF lens 15 35. So bersama-sama saya dua orang wakil daripada Canon lah, iaitu Cik Said dengan Cik Jonathan. So hari ni dia akan jelaskan kat kita tentang kamera terbaru daripada Canon, iaitu EOS R5 dan juga EOS R6.
Okay, so I start from R6 Canon R6. So R6 dia punya sensor dengan dia punya processor sama dengan 1DX Mark III. Okay, so megapixel dia 20.1 megapixel. Processor DJX sama dengan 1DX Mark III. So kalau R5 ialah baru punya sensor, 45 megapixel. Processor pakai sama DJX. So macam R dia pakai DG8.
So this one?
So this one DJX. Dia macam iPhone lah.
iPhone lah, dia tak ada 9.
8 dan 9
from 8 to 10. Okay.
So the difference actually, R5 is a hybrid camera for video. Dia in still pun boleh. So come to R6 is focused for still. The performance, low light, everything is more stronger. So why would we like that? Okay, the megapixel 20 megapixel reduced already, your noise reduction will be better. So come to low light, this one is a EV negative 6.5. For the R5 will be negative 6.
Okay, because of the megapixel, this one much higher megapixel.
Yes. So R5 is more like a hybrid camera. That's why R5 the strong point is in 8K. Okay. So for R5 is 8K RAW max. 8K
RAW, but it still can shoot 120 FPS in 4K.
Yes, can.
Okay.
Yeah. So and then the card slot for R6 will be 2 SD card. For this R5 will be 1 CF Express. Alright, CF Express, you can see the speed read will be like 1650 and write will be 1200 MB per second.
So they need the speed to cope with the high resolution 8K video.
Yes.
Okay.
So for this CF Express card, you can see all those our C series, like C100, C300 Mark III.
Okay.
All those cinema cam already starting use this CF Express. So this one is not an XQD. You can see the Nikon, they're using the XQD. It's almost same size. You can slot the XQD inside, but cannot read.
Okay.
Once you slot the XQD, we see unable to read.
Alright.
So like for Sony, using the Type A CF Express. This one is a Type B.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But the one Type A, the size is similar to the normal SD card, right?
Yes.
Okay.
The one made by Sony, that's why it will be like smaller. Ours one will be bigger.
Okay.
So for the brand is a lot coming out. You know, Wise they're coming out. Also, Scandi already got. XR also coming out. So for this series will coming with like more convenience.
So they use the same memory card with the other cinema camera from Canon also.
Yes.
Okay, so it's easier if you have both cameras, so it's easier to swap cards lah.
Yes.
Okay.
So That's why for R6 will be more on the photos. The difference actually you can see something like the 6D. There's a button here,
Okay.
like
Right.
RP and 6D, and this one will be like the R.
This one the R, and then this
Yes.
one like the RP lah.
Yes.
Okay.
And then you can see both also same. They have a joystick and a turning buttons.
This one similar to the
5D and
previous.
6D.
Yes, the previous
Yes,
model
yes.
DSLR from Canon.
Yeah. So for C, this one is like the 5D combined with the R.
Yes.
Together.
Alright.
Yes.
So they exclude the previous what they call it, touch bar.
Yes,
right?
yeah.
They exclude the touch bar.
previous touch bar is this one.
Okay.
Yeah. So this one actually have to unlock and left right for the ISO. So now no need lah. Now actually it's more easy. This one is the shutter speed. But all this can preset. You can change to like I don't want ISO. I want change to like shutter speed. And this one is the focus point. And this one is the ISO. This one is the aperture. You can set from here. Shooting, high speed shooting.
Right.
So the continuous.
Continue shooting.
Yeah. Okay. If based on the R6, you use about this USS 1 or USS 2 SD card. So the maximum in this R6, you can burst until 1000 photo. Like shoot until 1000, then they only stop. The maximum is 1000. For the R5 is maximum is 350 because the megapixel is higher. That's why we use slower.
So the buffer, I think this one, the buffer should be much higher than that one, right?
Yep. So that's why I can say R6 is more better in photo.
Yeah,
It's more support in photo. So R5, who people as a photography, he want to shoot photo, they want to use R5. Maybe they need look for the megapixel, like production house, their faction production. They need the details, and so they might use this 45 megapixel, because almost like our 5DR. 50 megapixel. So actually this two camera is Canon first two camera with in-body built-in stabilizer.
Yeah, before this,
No.
even the DSLR also don't
Okay.
have IBIS, right?
Okay, because in previous they will talk about our Canon lens. We have the Canon lens IS, so you can see every EF lens or IF lens there's a IS stabilizer here.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
So actually
Okay.
for the Canon technology, they are stabilized in lens.
Okay,
Actually,
alright.
very enough.
Okay.
So, but now they build more because you can now you can see the trends like go for videos.
Yeah.
So that's why videos we more need the stabilizer in body and the lens also. So for RF lens, those lens can zoom one like 70, 200, 24, 105, 1535. So all this can zoom one the lens plus the body in stabilizer. Total up is 8 stop. So for those prime lens at 35, 50, 85, the one will prime lens and the body plus up will be 7 stop. Yeah, and this both camera there's two new function. Quite surprised. One is the HEIF file, HEIF file.
Okay.
So maybe people call it an iPhone file maybe. So
Okay.
because iPhone shoot out the photo is using that file, but actually it's not made by them. It's made by MPEG.
Okay.
Movie production, something there's a name, a company name. That's made by them. They call it HEIF file, high efficiency image file.
Right.
So once you shoot the HEIF file, you will see your cut inside. There's a HIF file.
Alright.
Right. So you can maybe look for the converters, or maybe some software to open it. But you do not need to download actually. You just come to the menu here. You can convert from the.
Okay. From the
yeah.
camera itself, you can convert
Yep.
from HEIF file to normal JPEG file.
Yeah. So the difference we will see the dynamic range will be better, more x4 than the JPEG. But the size is same with the JPEG. So actually the eyes, this detection, you will change to eyes, face and body. So maybe later you can try to focus me and you will see the screen. When you focus my face, you will see the eyes. There's a box here and then there's a left right.
Okay.
So you can use the joystick to choose which
one.
eyes you want to focus.
Oh, okay.
You can choose the left or right. Okay?
Okay.
And then there's another new function, animal eyes detection.
Yeah.
So from the menu you can see the eyes detection. You can choose people, animal and no priority.
Tak dah.
Now the shop already closed all the line and outside is now is 5 PM.
Okay. Tengok. Sekarang ni dah dalam pukul 5 lebih tau. Dengan backlight dekat bahagian belakang, lampu bahagian belakang sana. macam mana cepat dia detect balik mata dia. So yang ini kira saya punya first hands on review untuk kamera EOS R5 dan juga EOS R6. Kalau kita nak betul-betul experience, kena belilah. So yang ini kita test dia punya feel dia, kita check dia punya menu dia, kita tengok build quality dia dengan dia punya lens line up. Saya ingat Canon ni boleh jadi direct competitor untuk brand-brand lain yang terlebih awal masuk dalam kategori mirrorless camera. So even though Canon ni lambat masuk dalam mirrorless camera, tapi dia dengan pengalaman yang berpuluh tahun ni, dia dapat catch up balik dengan brand-brand yang dah lama. Macam dulu yang antara yang terawal dulu Olympus dengan Panasonic, and then Fuji masuk, and then Sony masuk. Canon ni kiranya yang belakang-belakang sekali dengan Nikon, tapi dengan teknologi dan pengalaman dia, dia boleh catch up. Kalau tengok tadi pun dia punya eye focusing dia pun sangat laju, sangat cepat. Itu kita tak test lagi dia punya dynamic range. Dan salah satu dia punya kelebihan paling best, iaitu dia punya RF lens lineup dia. RF lens lineup dia, glass dia, kalau tengok dekat mana-mana review yang sama ada review daripada luar negara ke, RF lens ni boleh katakan one of the best dari segi sharpness, dari segi autofocus untuk video, untuk foto, dengan image quality dia. So kita jumpa lagi di episod channel Laboo Studio yang akan datang. Demikian saja daripada saya. Okey, assalamualaikum.